Hey guys! Today I did the biggest trade, got a Mega Parrot. Help me rate the trade. I don't know about Mega High Tiers. Even though some exotics are losing, some people are still giving good offers for them. What do you think? Well, all those are blue-themed pets. Should I do it? Whoa, I love bulk pets. With that, I mean that no potion megas that came together. I love it, man. They're over, but I'm unsure cause these megas will remain in game and will lose as they're obtainable in baits. Did I take the right decision? Hmm. Exotics are losing a lot, but I think they should increase, cause many people's inventory have been decreased. So I definitely prefer my mid-tiers here. And Mega Mini Pig has lost value and is hard to trade. Which side are you on? I prefer Mega Crow and Owl. Definitely not looking for exotics, sorry. And border is loosing. Mega Hedgehog have gained crazy value. Win for me, loose in values though. One of the biggest trades I've ever done. So this is an important video. I love exotics, but right now mega high tiers are the hype. So I was very skeptical. I asked many people in server. Many people are saying to accept. Tism for watching. Comment your thoughts.